In our last episode, we covered some ground south and had some flan from a guy in a truck. This time around, we spend some time in the cruisers playground of Bahia de Tenecatita and have one of the best meals in all of Mexico. In Mexico, there are a few places that stand out as favorites to cruisers. In Tenecatita, it's one of them. In the prime winter months, when the weather and water are perfect, this place is chock full of boats with sailors all living the good life.
All right, dinner at Free Luff's tonight. They got a huge fish on the way in here. It's a fish feast. Thank you.
Time wherever you like, you know the score. So prepping a little mahi poke. Oh. And then I'm also going to do some fillets on the grill. But this is one of the smaller of the 4 packs of fish we got. A little poke sauce. So sesame oil, shoyu, soy sauce, garlic, sriracha, a little bit of lime. I'm just going to go in with the peppers, onions, and jalapenos, a little bit of cilantro in with the fish, and make magic. The trick is not to abuse the fish as you stir it.
I'm super excited about this. This looks so good. And it smells really good.
It's all him.
Yeah, nice job, Randy.
And the poke, delicious. But the grilled mahi, even better.
Yeah, it's really good. It's delicious. No shortage of good food here. Yeah.
20 seconds apart.
I mean, it makes sense. They're putting it at the same time that they go out. Especially where we have anchored.
Having a big adventure today. We're out on Jolly Dog and we're going snorkeling. Look at that boat.
That looks like a fast boat.
You ever want to see a fast looking boat? That one.
Just a few miles from the Tenecatita anchorage is a snorkeling and diving hotspot called the Aquarium. And our new friends on the catamaran Jolly Dogs, they were nice enough to drag us around to check it out.
Tell me if there are any sharks.
All right, check.
See any sharks down there, Jody?
I don't see much of anything down there. Gosh, look at this go. Nope.
With the boat anchored next to the reef, it was a short little swim to get into all the action. After a successful day checking out the underwater life, it's a round of high fives, then off to one of the best meals in all of Mexico.
We made it! We made it! That was fun. Okay, we're in Tenecatita, and this here is the best meal in Mexico, period! It's Arroyo del Mar. Fish, stuffed with shrimp, wrapped in bacon, with an almond cream sauce. You can't beat it.
Have to bring my kids How far is it from
Albuquerque,
here?
Phoenix, Montana.
All right, we're in Tenecatita. And there's something strange about this place. Can't quite put my finger on it. But it's kind of a magical little spot. It's not really spectacular to look at. There are palm trees on the beach, but really, it's just a bay. There's a restaurant on shore, which makes one of the best meals in all of Mexico. But other than that, there's nothing here except for a bunch of sailboats. But it's a magical spot. The water's incredible. If you're into any kind of water sports, this is the place to be in Mexico. There's about 30 boats anchored out here, and it's all day long activities in the water. Right now, the surf's up. So we're going surfing. See ya.
Roughly 100 yards from where our little floating home is anchored, a handful of us every afternoon got together to solve some of the world's problems. And yes, it's easiest to solve those problems when you're catching some pure and clean, glassy little waves. Whether it's surfing, swimming, snorkeling, paddleboarding, bocce ball on the beach, or just hanging out in the restaurant on shore, there's something always going on in Tenecatita. And with the evening jam sessions, dinghy raft-ups, and potluck dinners, there's just about as much social activity as somebody could want. But for us, it's just an easy place to make some new friends and have some new adventures.
All right, big adventure today. We're taking a panga across the bay to La Manzanilla. It's way over there. Jason and Vicky from Volare, they coordinated the whole thing. It's gonna be great. Buenos dias. There's our ride. We're out of here.
And I live exactly in the center of Guadalajara.
After about a 15-minute ride across the glassy bay, we made it to La Manzanilla.
We made it!
Survived.
Later, I'm like,
Bye-bye.
we got there.
We made it.
We made it.
Woo! All right, La Manzanilla. Check this place out.
La Manzanilla is a tiny little coastal town tucked into the jungle on the south side of Bahia de Tenecatita. And today, we were there to check out their outdoor market right in the center of town.
Fresh orange juice, fresh off the squeezer. It's a small for $1.50. Easy there, Brenda, easy.
It's delicious.
We don't like to share drinks at all. Brenda's a drink monster. She drinks everything.
And just outside this bustling little market, which had just about anything you could ever want, we found this guy.
What? Oh man, look at that.
Oh, he's getting a little wigged out too. Oh wow, he just disappeared.
Crocodile right in town. It's gone. Anybody want to go swimming?
Look at these flowers. They're cool. It's a bloom in a bloom.
Oh wow.
Pretty.
And of course, no stop in a town would be complete without finding the best spot for lunch.
This is an avocado stuffed with shrimp, and it looks great.
Don't mind him. So I still haven't been able to.
Delicious.
Go team!
Mummified.
Woo!
Cocodrilo.
Modified.
And we're walking.
After lunch, our little friend came back out to play.
A little farther, Brenda. A little farther.
After giving this croc a nice little scratch between the ears, we roamed our way through town, picked up a few needed supplies, and checked out the rest of La Manzanilla.
Hola amigos. I want to ride in that thing. Well, that's La Manzanilla. Pretty cool little town, but it's chock full of Canadians. I don't even know how they hear about this place.
With our bags full of fresh fruits and veggies, we hopped in the Ponga for a ride back to Tenecatita and had another fun day in the books. And that's about it for this episode. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Gracias. There goes our ride. We made it. We survived.